Much like the Dashboard tab in the web browser version of your BNTouch CRM, the mobile dashboard in your BNTouch app lets you organize your daily activities, review important updates to your records, and stay in the know with your coworkers. This dashboard serves as a heads-up display for recent activity in your CRM, so it is a good place to start your work each day. When you log in to the BNTouch app, you can quickly access the dashboard by swiping from left to right and tapping Dashboard in the menu. Be sure to tap on the words to the left. The robot icon to the right will open communication with Maya, your mortgage AI assistant. You can also talk to Maya while working in the dashboard by tapping the same icon in the upper right corner. The dashboard has several features available for use, and you can navigate between them by using the icons at the bottom of your screen. Each will show notification numbers to let you know how many new tasks, alerts, campaigns, or assignments need your attention. The first category available in your mobile dashboard is Tasks. Here, you can set reminders for yourself, schedule calls and appointments, review anything you've missed, and maintain a to-do list for less time-sensitive events. At the top of the screen, you can tap the sub-tabs to switch between the different task lists. The Tasks sub-tab will, by default, show any tasks you have scheduled for the current day. You can select a different day using the calendar icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Below, that day's tasks will be listed with the time and description. If the task was created from a client or partner record, that person's name will also be listed. You can tap a task to edit its type, time, reminder status, recurrence frequency, and description. Any details you change will be updated when you click Save at the top. You can instead create a new task by tapping the Add Task button, which will open a similar screen where you can enter details for it. For each task in the list, you can tap the Actions icon to the right to mark it as done or cancel it. The next sub-tab focuses on missed tasks that have passed their scheduled date without being canceled or marked as done. These will be listed below just like the daily tasks, and you can edit, cancel, or mark them as done in the same way. Lastly, the To-Do sub-tab will show a list of tasks you have entered that don't have specific completion dates associated with them. Instead, these will be organized by priority, which will display as a color and a number to the left of each item in the list. You can add new To-Do items by tapping Add Entry above, which will let you choose a priority and enter a description. For To-Do list items, you can tap the circles to the left of the entry to select it. Then tap either Mark as Done or Delete above to take actions on all chosen items. If you wish to complete or remove all items in the list, just tap Select All. The Alerts section of the mobile dashboard will keep you up to date on any upcoming birthdays or loan anniversaries, refinance opportunities for your clients and partners, and new property listings. For the first 2 annual events, you will be able to see a list of all occurrences of each type coming in the next 15 days. The date will display to the left, and a link to the person's record in your CRM will appear next. Tapping this name will open their record in your mobile app. You can instead tap the Actions icon to the right to get in touch with that client or partner, whether by phone call, SMS text message, email, video message, or other form of communication you have available. The third sub-tab in the Alerts section is for your Refinance Monitor. Each night, your loans will be checked automatically, and any clients in your records with rates above the rate you have currently set will be listed here. Like the other sub-tabs, you can open client records using the blue Name links, and you can contact borrowers or add CRM tracker events to their record using the Actions icons. To learn more about configuring the Refinance Monitor or entering new dates, which can only be done via a web client, please check out the Alerts article or training video in our dashboard series. The last Alerts tab, Listed Properties, will display new property listings that are near the mailing or property addresses of your contact records. Each morning, BNTouch will automatically check for properties that match your mortgage databases that have changed their MLS status to either active, pending, or contingent. Any that update to a sold or fail status will be moved to the inactive sub-tab, and any that you have dismissed will go to that sub-tab. Each listing will show an address, listed price, and date. More details can be seen by tapping on this information. You can tap the borrower's name to open their record, tap the Actions menu to add tracker notes or contact the client, or tap the circles to the left to dismiss the alerts with the button above the list. If you want to see only listings for a specific time period or property address, tap the Filter button in the upper right corner. To learn more about these alerts and the actions you can take from them, please check out our Listed Property Watch Alerts article or training video. The Campaigns section will show a summary of your current, pending, and recent marketing campaigns. At the top of this section, you will see an overview display of your recently completed campaigns, including statistics for how many campaigns were completed today, yesterday, this week, and in the previous week. Next, you can review how many were sent in the current and previous month and year. If Safe Mode is enabled for your account, any campaigns that are pending confirmation before being sent will appear below. You can see the campaign name and some of the steps it contains in this list, and you can either execute or cancel a campaign by tapping the Actions icon to the right. In order to edit a campaign, you will need to open the Marketing tab in your web client. The final section of the mobile dashboard, Assignments, will list any records you have assigned to other users or that have been assigned to you, whether sent yourself or from another user. The first list, Pending Assignments, will show any assignments that have not yet been accepted or denied. You can see who the record is being assigned to and from below the record name, and the date the assignment was sent will show to the right. Using the circles to the left, you can select incoming records you want to accept or deny, then tap the corresponding button above the list. For outgoing assignments you have sent to other users, you can only choose to cancel the assignment. The second sub-tab, Assignments History, will instead show a list of assignments that have been successfully accepted or denied. For each record, you can see which user assigned it to whom below, the date of the assignment to the right, and the completed status below that. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.